Lavender, and today I'm going to be rating my fidgets to see, from 1 to 10 or like to 10 million or something. So let's get on with the first one. Okay, so the first one is this thing. It's homemade, and we're going to be also reading homemade and from the store non-homemade, and it is homemade, but it's in the store. So this is homemade, and I bought like 2 of these. These are globals, and I bought 2 of these. One is pink and one is green, and then I cut the pink, and then it made like this, and then I tried to seal it, but there's no working. Even though it still sticks on the ground, it doesn't. Yeah. So I guess I would rate this as a 7 because it's so squishy, and I love the texture of it. I love how I squeeze it. I love the squeezing. Okay. Next one. Okay, so get out. Okay, so this one is the same, but it's actually crunchy. So what I like about this is it just stays in the packet where it belongs. It just stays in the packet where it belongs. You can also do anything, just tend to pop it, squeeze it, and make crunching chip noise. Yeah, so I don't really like the way that it, that it dissolves. So I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10 stars. But we're gonna do next one. Oh, forgot to mention. This is also homemade. Get out. Okay, so next one, you guys, it definitely looks like that it's homemade. You know, I'm a bad maker. Bad maker. So I tried this before, and I make it, and it's not a fail. This is not enough fail. Not a fail and a fail. Yeah, it still pops, and it's brand new, and yep, lots of it, and it's not the same one. So I'm gonna have to give it maybe like a 3 out of 10. No, I'm giving it a 0. 0. I'm making it 0 out of 10 or 10 a million. Okay, next one. Next one is the not homemade one. Oh gosh. Next one's the not homemade one. A simple dimple. Yes. So I'm gonna rate this 10 million and 10 million point 10. Yes. And I love how cool it is, and how you can just follow it everywhere. I like the keychain you can do everywhere. So yeah, and I like how it pops, and you just dissolve it. Yeah, like how it does. So I would rate this. Yeah, you know what I said. Okay, next one. Okay, guys, next one is the ultimate. Pop it. I like the texture. This is I like it on both sides. When you first buy it, it's like this one was really soft, but now it's really, really loud if you just play with it. This is the loud side. This is the quiet side, but it's not quiet anymore if you play with it. It's so long. Yep. Well, I would rate this the same as my puppets. I mean, my Simple Dimple. 100,600,010. Yep, you heard me. I mean, like, yeah, that's not the same, but yeah. Yeah, so we're going to be rating them all together now. Ugh. Okay. Okay, here you go. I love this. This is my favorite. So, I would say my favorite between these, was literally this. It was my favorite one. Favorite one. This was my favorite one. Yes. Okay, my second favorite is actually Simple Dimple. Yeah, so this is first place, second place, third place. Okay, third place is yes, you. I haven't got a name for it yet, but yeah. Yep. First place, second place, third place. These are my most beloved things. Like, I love them all the most. Puppet, so common to love it. The puppet is common to love it, so don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me, guys. But this is still fourth place. This is nothing. This is just fifth place. We just throw it in the trash can. Well, anyways, guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I'll see you poppity next time. Bye.